What is up, everybody? Today we're gonna be playing Royal High School. Okay, let's just go to the high school. There's Sam teleport failed. Okay, let's play it. Y'all, you know. Okay, so now I'm with Bloom, Emma, and Alex. They're not even my friends. They just stand nearby me. I know. Let's choose a locker first. Which we can claim 7. Yay, we can claim 7. My code is going to be 478, like Lola 4787. It's just 478. Okay. School is going to be starting. English class. Okay, I'm going to be attending class, but let's hide my crown for a minute. I mean for the whole day. Let's sit on the first line. Okay, we're going to be staying like this. Okay, like that. Okay. The chameleon went itself into dash to protect itself. Okay. Please be correct. Yes! It's correct. Sit down, class. Miss Lucy. You're not even the teacher. 4 out of 5? Until. Okay. Until. We'll have to wait until tomorrow. No, thanks, Emma. Okay, 4 out of 4 people got this question correct. Right. The sky is dash today. VEAU. TFU. Okay, number C. Yeah. I had drank a lot of soda. ALOT. Number D. Yay. Soda at the party. Okay. So. We know you're Miss Lucy. This one people don't. ACCOMM. Okay, this one. Number C. Yeah, right again. Got it right. Yeah, I get an A+. Wait. Oh, okay. Look how ugly I am. Okay, next is PE. But before that, we're gonna be getting some dorm. Choosing a dorm. Yes. That's fun. I know how to cheat. I'm just kidding. We can't. Jesse, excuse me. No. We gotta run. My game is actually glitching, which is really cool because it made me run fast at the we're not supposed to run fast. No, I can't jump over that. Ding 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 ding. Yay! I am the second. I don't need music. Well, let's go get a dorm again. Yeah, because I didn't really get it, I think. I know I get it. I have the key too, but that's not it. I want I want the first one. I mean, the blue one because I don't want red, but black and blue is my favorite color. Yeah, that's good. Let's just open it for a second, and we're gonna be claiming that room. I'm gonna be unlocking. I'm not gonna attend. What? Okay. Okay. Let's just go out. Go out. Wait, do we actually need the key again? That's really, 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 really annoying. I have 1,911 diamonds. Sliding is so much fun. Here's music class. I'm not gonna attend. I told ya. Okay, let's see my locker. Okay, good. Okay, what is next? Chemistry. Okay. Chemistry, yeah. Next is chemistry and art, yeah. Let's attend class. Okay, chemistry class, sorry, I'm not talking there. And I know I forgot that I'm recording, but sorry. So, we're going to be going chemistry class, and today says we already have done PE, music, and chemistry. Okay. 2, 1, go. Yellow, green, yellow, red, yellow, green, purple, yellow, purple, orange, blue. Sorry if I sound a little slow because I'm not good at saying stuff like this. Hey. 1 go. Orange, yellow, orange, blue, red, purple, red. What? It stopped, I know. What? Okay, I'm gonna dress as a princess. I'm a girl. Outfits, casual. We're just gonna be wearing this one. And the skirts, I have a real life mermaid. So yeah, custom color. I really like pink. Okay, I get an A. No, not that. Custom color. What about this? What about this? Okay, that's still good. But I know what to wear. A swimwear. Okay. See? But I'm not gonna wear it. So we're actually gonna be choosing magical from magical. I think it'll be great. This one. Okay, that's really good. But we just gotta change the face and the hair. And I'm gonna be pink. All pink. Just red. No, pink. Okay. And I need a very pink face. Full face. Okay. That or this. This one. And then, and last but not least, my face. I mean, my wings. So I have light, magical sunset. Okay, like that. What am I missing? I wish we could do the skin, you know. I'm not gonna be hiding the crown. Okay, like that. That's really great. I failed. Okay, I'm gonna be the first one to reach. Hold on. Okay, drinks is cherry soda. It's like my damn. Wait, what? How idiot am I? And then meals, which I love. Okay, this one. Is it making? Yes. Let's grab my cheese crackers, bread, and grapes. Let's sit with a group. A very beautiful girl named Tinukska 10. Can I sit? I'm gonna be very kind and I'm gonna say, can I? Wait, it's not typing. Type. Can I sit? Enter. I was just chatting with friends. Wait. Okay. And we are invited. I'm gonna skip class. I'm gonna just go home. What? Why? Oh. Go down. Fine, I'll go down by myself. No, I don't talk a lot because I totally forgot that I'm recording. I was way too much focusing on my there's me, Lola. Yay, I score 1 point. I get an A. So what is next? Swimming. Okay. No, where? Karina, oh my god, is here. No, where? I fell. See, that's why I say I hate swimming class. talk to Karina because I want her to be my friend. Now she's on YouTube. Okay, there's only 5 seconds left. I gotta get an A. Get an A. No, I get a B. Yeah. B plus still. No, Karina. Wait, where did she go? I'm seeing Karina. Oh my god, you know. And I want to actually know if it's the real her because, you know, she's in here. Let's just claim dorm. Hey. Wait, is she on that side? No. No, girl. No. Wait, she doesn't lock it. I know how to get in. What, am I sleepwalking? What? No way. What? Wait. Okay, let's jump out of bed. Okay, like that. We gotta do homework. So, I think I'm just gonna end here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you. There's a big thunderstorm. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my homework first. So, bye.